ebusuya me gidi sa asem yokra me beka che wonka wokra won jindi wonim say Akufo-Addo ba abam no less than 5 months obani Galamsey for almost 2 years as at 2019 na still Galamsey ya bande ye minimu dawo Miracle Dennis Abuaje a year special aid to Dr. Alad Mahmoud Bawumia me say and they were bigger na fo nyina ni na ebusuya ensem wode atodwa no esewani ensa wo ka kire haya Ghana Nsem TV nsem esi wo Ghana de ha na obenya wo subscribe to channel on Famayen we are like it yesrew like it now show video ni we are the ones wo dwen fa asam am Dennis Eka no kire wa dwen comment section ebusuya yambon wirem.
Now let me also correct this. That impression that 8 months is too short a time for anybody to deal with Galamsey is the lamest, laziest, the most lackadaisical response from any group of persons.
How so?
Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, when he was voted into office in 2017, in April 2017, placed a ban on all forms of mining. That was his first action against the fight Galamsey. For 20 months, close to 2 years, Nana Addo placed a ban on Galamsey and started reorganizing the mining sector. Guess what? By the time we got to 17 December 2018, all CSOs, all media persons led by City at the time said that, Mr. President, where we have reached, we think at this point we can lift the ban. And then based on all the things we have introduced, now have a proper view of the situation and the space and fix it. You, City, have on your portal videos and documentaries of the river bodies having been cleared from this color.
Improved.
Not cleared from this color to a much more cleaner water as at 2018, as at 2019. You even have a report in 2021 where you were showing how the Ofen River is improving and clearing up.
Yeah.
So Nana Addo Akufo-Addo proved that you can actually take action on Galamsey in 3 months when you come to office. And when you do that, there would actually be results. Let me tell you what happened to Akufo-Addo. No, I'm coming. Let me tell you what happened to Akufo-Addo. When Akufo-Addo inherited the Galamsey menace in 2017, because if the Galamsey menace was not there, there was no way in 3 months he was going to place a ban. You agree with me? So that lie, that falsehood, the president peddled at the media engagement, which they peddled for 8 years whilst we were in office, should be thrown in the bin. Galamsey was actually a creation under the NDC at the time when John Mahama was vice president. It was rather Akufo-Addo who came to inherit this and made attempt to fix it. But when Akufo-Addo came, he was the one who embraced the media and CSOs in the fight against Galamsey. And that was the time when your reporters were with the military men in the helicopter.
Yeah.
And they were holding their cameras covering Galamsey. That was Akufo-Addo's undoing. When he opened up the space and brought everybody's eyes into the fight, then people became more enlightened. And the more people became enlightened, the more people became alarmed. So guess what? When former President Mahama won power in 2013 and became president, Galamsey was already festering. So he set up a task force led by Honorable Eunice Afuseni. By 2016, the task force actually announced that they have given up on the fight against Galamsey. It's on record, it's on your portal, it's on MindJoy, it's on every portal. Mahama Yariga said that I called EPA, I called Minerals Commission, I called all these people and told them that, look, it doesn't look like we can win this fight. Yes. It's on record. It's on record. And that is what led to, and this was in September 2016, and that is what led to the conversation about Galamsey coming up again in the last quarter of 2016 towards the elections. Then Akufo-Addo said, this is my solution. When I come, I'm going to introduce alternative ways of doing this thing and some responsible mining. And that is what led to him taking decisive action in his first 3 months when he became president.
Hey. Yes, see, Obisa for way on Irakwan. Na yes, unimwa ubusa. Minimum da. And the MPP communication no ma hayen. Say net here dia. And the ma hayen ma haye papa. Esan say yanum for no. Emma Ghana for adwin yom say Akufo-Addo mpo na de Galamsey baaye. Not knowing say ono no ba beto Galamsey no. And ono no kra san so be bandi ye. Eno nti na 2020 MPP elusu ye ewo most of the Galamsey constituencies e Ghana hanum say Yelusu Central Region, Yelusu ye seat almost 60%. Western, Eastern. Eeii, a commoning chiremu. Na minimum. Na minim. Eeii, ebusuya. Ti so hwa sama. Dennis Miracle Abuaji edit to dwa ene. E wo channel 1 TV so na. Oka ni nyina no, oma facto, oma date. No a kire wo se mo nkasa mo porter mo report ye. Mo nkasa mo report ye. Na utumu se journalist no kura na oto no, oka won se ayampa. So Mahama nankasa o. Ene ekofo akire ko kan se. We mu abande Galamsey. Se no be mu mamu ni aduma nye. Enti mo ntoma yen na ye badia. Ye be mama ye Galamsey no. Enti se wo probi obe blame the pan for Galamsey a. Ye John Dramani Mahama. I'm telling you. John Dramani Mahama, aka Idi Amin the first. Omo ne fe chire kwa share Galamsey for no kutu pase. Monto mame 2020 asem na making. Na me ba omo ma chi omo akum Galamsey enti me yi omo nyina na mama omo amnesty. Na nipa e wo se ye chi omo no eye the kingpins omo a omo di Galamsey ni muntintiman concession ni omo dia no. Those are the people that they should be arrested, not the other people or no okope bibi ababedi. This was asema John Dramani Mahama kan samwe no. So obeka ya NDC mpanyefo bi call Galamsey site bi. Ene Galamsey for no ka sa ye say omuntu amane NDC na NDC ba ono sa man ne beto eye biaye e be hwe sa man ni we ni so no. Enti no omuntu say NDC e wi ni ene na the following day omonko ye adwuma o kai sa asem no. I'm sure so kai. I think the man over kind of thing. I know what kind of comment section anymore. But I grab UTV paradigm or tiny Jennifer Quinn. They show UTV. We are finishing. In the crowd. So the NPP as a political party led by Addo Akufo-Addo banned Galamsey for almost 2 good years. Intino Galamsey no a G by 2016 and Addo Dramani Mahama no Akufo-Addo came fight Galamsey and so no crab say according to reporter city for na mayo in so no crab bet say as 2019 no even as 2021 now we go fin enina 30 and NDC for years an ko share Galamsey for na chi say munye adwuma no eno na nam so ene abewie bebi ewe but ene omo kasa na akwakoye te say like omo they have they haven't done anything wrong when it comes to Galamsey. Omo man krampo ye te say Galamsey even started just 8 years ago, but multi tax force someone fight Galamsey Emma ombeka say omo ntimi fight against Galamsey. They have lost the fight against Galamsey. Bro. Na Ghana for nankasa no, dudu na no, yempa research, yempa kinkan. So it is very easy to deceive. It is very easy to deceive people. Like I'm even surprised. Like I'm surprised, bro. I'm surprised. So Akufo-Addo actually fought Galamsey and we never knew all these things. You guys were quiet to the extent that you didn't even explain things to Ghanaians, especially the Gen Zs. The Gen Zs. Sad. This is very sad. So the communication team no more yet ding out. But it is very good that today we now know. We now know. And you're very, very, very good. What do you think about this Galamsey issue? NDC first time on Galamsey on we year on the saying you know. And I'm a coup for the buy in April 2017. 4 to 5 months in government or ban Galamsey. Now some no under NDC na minister for environment. Mahama Yariga, the oya and the majority leader no. Share reports no from modern Eeii or say minister gives up on fighting illegal mining. Want new approach. 15 September 2016. One another president John Dramani Mahama. Me say young Gen Z for your mabaya no ma young say Galamsey starting ne ya o. Mahama first term minister no that environment no Mahama Yariga gives up on fighting illegal mining. Galamsey or give it up. Next when ono mutim yan kukudo be ka kire say am be for the buy of ban Galamsey from 2017 till 2019 ansana all left ban from Galamsey and the MPP elusi most of the Galamsey constituencies in 2020. Na Mahama na ka kujita ka kire mo say to ba na me ba me ma mo amnes na mo ya tim na eja mo NDC me say mo na me be tua mo ka de bi ba NDC fo ntona mu chakire Ghana fo mani yes Galamsey no etata na kufa do abere awo Mahama and our first term minister no da environment no say the fight against Galamsey no wa bre wa faili into no new approach mo munya ho hwe